What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Blend R. Today I'm going to like SB19. Damn, the making. Oh, music video. Okay, let's get started. I never ever getting tired watching SB19 flop. I don't care what the topic. I will watch it. Do you guys see the contrast between the behind the scene and then after the behind scene? Look at her. Look at his expression. Wow. I really want them to play a character in a movie, because oh, that acting skill is so good though. That's my opinion.
Let's go. Ready ka?
Alam naman namin na it should be something na manggagaling din sa amin.
Subtitle?
It should be clear.
Okay.
And especially from mga idols. So we'll do our best para explain sa inyo paano talaga yung gusto namin.
It's raining, guys, so if you hear some noise, I'm sorry.
Mas feeling ko rin yung shadows. Parang mas strong yung shadows from lahat. Foggy siya, foggy. Like
Look at the guy.
Yung
The
gusto
sunglass.
nilang mangyari. And ma-meet talaga yung expectations nila.
What's his name? The guy that wear glasses, guys. He's cute.
So during naman siya shoot, kahit 2 days siya, parang marami talagang scenes na kailangan i-shoot. And also maraming palit ng damit, lalo na yung kay Stel. Kasi dual personality siya eh.
Music and action. Yeah.
Gusto kami ipahiwating din parang importante talaga sa amin. Kasi gusto namin i-review
See, that's why I love SB19. They always they always with their theme, if you know what I mean, guys, like making a song, talk about the concept of this song, of the MV, and now they also they also join the meeting with the theme, guys.
yung mga activities namin sa
One more. Dikit nyo na yung music.
Ganoon mga kami every era, syempre, ano namin, talagang pinaghahandaan namin na tinatry namin hingitan kung ano man yung mga nakaraan. Pero for this one, siguro,
Oh my god, the
matinding
visuals.
paniniwala namin about it. And personally ako,
Look at the details. Can I borrow it?
syempre mas
I really want to wear that.
Kung yung dam na yun.
Itong music video
Look at
is
Pablo
kakaiba
expression.
sa mga dating releases nila kasi hindi to yung kakanta talaga sila. More on ano talaga to eh. Story driven, emotion driven din siya. So basically, kung anong gusto kong emotions na ipoportray nila, nagagawa nila.
It's how I get like forget how to say it in English. Oh my god, I'm so dumb.
From tayo.
So, isipan talaga lahat ng kailangan connected siya sa past releases din namin. So, lahat ginawa siya with a reason. Kung i-try mo siya i-connect sa madating kanta namin, talagang meron siyang
Sa Dam era talaga, sa simula at wakas, mas very collaborative sila kasi talagang gusto nila pagandahin yung era na to.
Oh, so they use I mean Right, it's Premi, right?
Ang biro, other than nakikulay ka sa character na hero na power, biro talaga na wala kami. So, one thing, di ba yung shots girl, parang mahaba kasi yung shots, di ba doon na or focus lang kung
Yun nga yung sa part ng kanta na parang paano hihigitan yung sagad na. So very pressure talaga yun. So parang
Look at how
ginagawa niya
serious
talaga
they are in
talaga
this
when it
project,
comes sa
guys. So you better
sa amin.
Pero creativity
Bye.
na to, ano to eh.
these songs, stream these songs, share this
Literal na
song. Look at the effort, bro.
pawis at away.
I'm so proud of them.
Concept nito kasi madami kaming
They deserve everything.
creative process para napagkasunduan na ganito yung gagawin namin. Collaboration of, syempre, with us, 1032, and a lot of people na naging ambitious kami again for this time.
look at the girl that you hold that. Oh,
Si Justin talaga yung parang sa grupo siya
They're
talaga
really
yung
good
creative
at-
din talaga.
Right.
So, pag
their
siya
acting is so
nagsasuggest,
good, guys.
siya
In my
nagbibigay
opinion.
ng, like input niya din talaga. Yung naisip ko din, mas nadadagdagan din ng flavor. Kasi
How
parang
can they do that? Are they-
batuhan in a way.
So yung Dam na song itself, galing siya sa pakiramdam. And syempre yung meaning, yung dam mismo rin na nagko-control sa tubig. Alam mo yung pag meron kang gustong gawin, pag nagawa mo na siya, may another ka na namang gustong gawin. So yung pakiramdam na yun,
Oh my God, is it him?
yung sinasabi rin nung buong simula at wakas. Pag natapos mo na yung sinimulan mo, magsisimula ka ulit ng panibago.
Ang mirror, masaya, parang may connection din naman, parang dito sa pagkakatagina, parang ikaw ngayon.
Look at Ken. Oh my God, Ken.
Kasi parang ang
I
tuloy na
can't
rin
wait to meet Ken.
ng bagong choreography since ganito and Crimson and everything. Comeback siya. So parang dapat pag handaan talaga yung magiging choreography ng mismong song. So nung inaral namin siya, akala namin noong una na parang madali lang siyang aralin kasi well, sanay naman talaga kami mag-aral ng choreography. Pero iba na nung inaral namin eh, especially when Kuya Jay explained every detail, hinimay-himay niya yung steps talaga. Personally for me, naging challenging siya.
Tingin.
One, two, three. Ano pakiramdam? Ano pakiramdam?
Yun! Wapo. Originally, yung parang concept or yung inspiration dito is a real dam. It's something like a reservoir. Kung saan mo niipon yung tubig para may energy ka, meron kang resource pagdating kapag nawala ng kuryente or anything. In a way, yun din yung mga experiences mo in life, iniipin mo siya lahat. And there will be a time that you will use it. Kasi, syempre, you have to use it kapag kailangan mo na. Walang hanggang pag gusto ng mga tao. So, in the end, parang tayo rin yung naghahanap ng answer sa lahat ng katanungan.
Yung pakiramdam na nahihirapan ka, nagsasuffer ka because you're wanting more. Wala pa yung dami na music, na song, may imagine na namin na yung magiging concept namin is basically ganito. So, actually, nauna pa yung concept bago yung kanta. Kakaiba yung setup namin ngayon.
Ibigay talaga namin yung buong passion namin para sa path na ito. Lagi namin ginagawa yung best namin pagdating sa lahat ng bagay. Pero the question is, ano ba yung pwede namin maibigay for the people, for ourselves, to better ourselves? So, yun yung isa sa mga line na gustong-gusto ko kasi that question is something that's really hard to answer. But we'll see the solution or yung sagot kapag ginawa mo ng certain thing. So, yan, pushing yourself to the limits.
The words. And after this, they drop the amphi. Wow, I get goosebumps. And boom, wow. Everybody shook. Wow. That was a moment. Yes, I'm so happy. Oh, I still remember the day they dropped the amphi. Wow, so proud of them. Because that amphi is everything. Everything. Wow. Period. Oh. Can't wait for the next video. This is the end of my reaction. Bye bye.